Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Infinix mobile guys app lock password turn off setting, how to turn off app lock, how to disable app lock in Infinix mobile friends, one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your Infinix mobile phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Infinix mobile. Friends, how to turn off app lock, how to remove app lock password in Infinix mobile. Friends, click here security setting. After on security setting friends, you can see find my device setting. Friends, you want to on Infinix mobile find my device, so friends you can on find my device. After on friends, you will have to own your phone device location, then friends you can use find my device setting in your Infinix mobile. Friends, you have security update, so friends connect Wi-Fi and friends you can update your security update. Friends, click here. Friends, first of all you can see screen lock, then friends after app lock. Friends, click here and friends know your app lock password, and friends you don't know your app lock password friends, you can forget your app lock password. Enter security question, then friends you can forget your app lock password. Done option. And friends you know your password, so when draw your password, enter your password. After enter password friends, you want to lock any app, friends you want to unlock any app, you can lock and you can unlock from here. And friends you don't want to use app lock setting, so you can unlock your all apps. After unlock all apps, right side click here setting. Friends, you can change app lock password, you can reset your security question from here. Friends, click here enable app lock setting and turn off app lock. After turn on app lock friends, you cannot use app lock setting in your Infinix mobile. Friends, you can see when I will on again app lock setting, open your friends again app lock setting. After on app lock setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Infinix mobile. So friends you cannot use app lock, you won't use again friends, you will have to set up app lock. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to remove app lock password in Infinix mobile. Bye friends.